Good morning, friends. You're watching Daybird Aviaries. It's another Baby Bird Friday video. Got Jeremiah here helping.
Yeah.
Catherine, of course, she's helping at my mom's. Got these two little parakeets, and they are all perfectly fed. We need, here, come back over here. Get in the middle. Ow. Stop it, you little piranha bird. Here, stop it. Ow.
Piranha kid.
Here, okay. Get me the little cockatiels, Jeremiah.
Is he one of those girls, right?
Yes, the crybaby. Let's get these all fed. There you go. Okay, you want to put the parakeets back? Without kicking anybody?
No.
Oh, I made a mess.
How would you do that?
Y'all would never expect me to make a mess, would you? Would you please quit biting me?
No, allow him.
You're kicking our friends, you're biting your dad.
I'm not biting.
Give me the little baby ringneck. Well, hey, Catherine. Catherine just came in. Catherine, come back here and say hey to our friends. How's Grandmama today? Good? You want to go to the lake with us? No? Look at our little baby ringneck. This is the last of our baby ringnecks. If you saw that video from... let go of Jeremiah. If you saw the video Wednesday, I told you that this was the last of the babies. You got some yucky on me. What color do you think he is? Can you see any colors yet, Catherine?
He's a dark color. I'm almost 100% sure about that.
Is it a dark blue, a dark gray? I don't think he can be gray.
Blue.
It looks like a gray.
It looks like a blue.
Maybe like a navy.
The dad is a violet, and the mom is a cinnamon blue.
Does cinnamon make it lighter or darker?
Cinnamon makes it lighter, but it couldn't be cinnamon. It's a sex-linked mutation. The dad would have to be a cinnamon, for this one to be cinnamon.
Maybe like a dark purple? That's
Yeah.
a big feather coming in right there.
That's his oil gland. That little dot right there.
Oh!
Like ducks have an oil gland to waterproof themselves. Here, I better feed you.
No.
Here, can somebody put the cockatiel away?
Just talk about colorations.
Coloration.
Come on. I'm here. Oh, no. Come on.
Like always, that is a flexible tip. I'm not shoving hard tubes down their throat. We're using the Hagen Tropican. Got links to everything down in the description if you need it. Jeremiah, hand me another baby ringneck.
Put this one back.
Sure.
Because they're not as young or small as you.
Right.
Oh.
Alright, now while I'm feeding this one, you go ahead and get another one.
Ah.
This is that beautiful, beautiful blue Palladino male. Here, baby. Here, come back.
I got another light
There's the
one.
Creamino.
It looks kind of like a banana yellow or
Yeah.
a light yellow.
There we go. For these two, let me hold on to her. Here, you go ahead and put these back.
The other one's very jumpy.
Yeah. Here we go.
Very,
Come here, baby.
very
Come
jumpy.
here, sweet pea. You're gonna have to play some Legos with Jeremiah or
No, it'll destroy them.
watch some cartoons with him or something and be handled some more. You're a beautiful, beautiful little bird. I love you. I really, really do. Come on, let's turn around this way. Here, you want some food? Here. Here. Catherine, these two may need to sit with you while you draw and color or something. And that one just flew away. She took her first maiden flight.
Aww.
Come here. But isn't she beautiful?
Success.
Isn't she beautiful, beautiful? I love ringnecks. Ringnecks are my all-time favorite little birds.
What's your all-time favorite pig?
Well, what? Oh. Well, give me the mystery conure.
Yeah.
These two like to fly around also.
Let go. Let go.
Here. Let go, baby. Here, let go.
You want the other one?
I want you to put her back. Yeah, see, he flew over here all by himself.
Yeah. That's what for me.
Here, let's slide you into the picture since you're going to be here anyhow. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you a hungry baby? Are you the hungry baby? Or are you the hungry baby? Oh, you're not hungry. Are you the hungry baby? Here.
What if I am?
Here. You want a bite? Here. I'll give you a bite.
No, I don't.
Come on, lean down there, Mom.
No. Daddy Pilot, the bottle.
Here, come back here.
Oh. Is that one gone?
It's like being in a room with flying monkeys. Go ahead and put them back. Put them back. I fed it.
No.
I have fed them both.
They're beautiful.
But they are beautiful. Look at that. Has he kicked you again? Here. Somebody kicked the tripod again.
Sorry.
Here, Mom, put her back. It's chaos here.
Yeah.
Flying monkeys. Children.
Because without listening to...
Yeah, we're recording, Daniela. Come here. Come look at this baby.
It's a beautiful baby. Beautiful.
Say something nice.
It is cute.
It is cute. She's ready to go. She wants to go to the park. Here, put her back and get me the violet ringnecks. Alright, now we're gonna feed hey, settle down. You just wanna go fly, don't you? Here is the older blue palladino. Are you hungry? Huh? Not at all, are you? No. Jeremiah, get one of the violets out. Hey, let's see if the violets are hungry. Here, do you want some food? You want some food, baby? Oh, come here. Stop. Adjust this just a bit. There we go. Here, hey, baby. Hey, you want some food? There we go. Those little conures make everything kind of chaotic, don't they? That's how conures are. Here, you want some? Here. Here we go. Boo! Uh-oh. I sprayed on my fingers. Let's clean you up. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Here we go. Okay. Get the turquoise, Jeremiah.
Okay.
The one that you say looks green. Either of them. Get them both.
Either of the greenest one.
Yeah. Hey, baby.
I think this is a turquoise one.
Yep, that's the turquoise blue.
Cyan.
Cyan. That'd be a good name for her.
Aqua.
Here, you're not hungry either, are you? Okay. Here.
I got the other one.
Okay. I'm not going to force them to eat because they're in the process of weaning.
Oh my gosh. He's getting attacked.
There. Uh-oh, see, she doesn't want anything.
I'm putting this one back
Okay.
because it can fly.
Yep. She sure can.
I tried to put it back.
Alright, well, we're going to go. We're going to close the video here. We're going to go spend the day at the park. It's going to be one of the hottest days. And Catherine's already fed outside birds. And we'll check on them again this evening.
I'm ahead of everyone.
Catherine is ahead of everyone. She's the head, not the tail. So, we'll see y'all later. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So what if I don't show my face for part of the intro and I just start with birds?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.